The LIS is known to us students as the dreaded Calvin cycle. It's the final stage of photosynthesis where fixing CO2 is vital. So the aim here is to construct what we call organic substances, like hexosugar, starch, amino acids, and lipids. But first let me hit you up with a simple formulaic fraction. Just remember 5 out of the 6 TPs get recycled in the pentose-shunt reaction. Now I hope you already know all this takes place in the stroma, where CO2 is diffused in via the leaf looking like a loner, but ribulose bisphosphate, aka our UBP, wants to buddy up with CO2 very rapidly. They want to form the carbon compound 2GP3C, so why you hell are mad at me? It really doesn't matter. See, I'm trying to give you the facts as fast as lithium-ion battery, so if you're wondering how it's catalysed, look away no more. Because ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase dehydrogenase will make your brain go sore. This is an important protein, the good at everything enzyme. It also stands for ribisco. I thought I'd mention to save you time. So RUBP joins ribisco's active site, where CO2 decarboxylates it, joining in so tight. So they've birthed a 6C compound which dissociates spontaneously to generate 2-glycerate-free phosphates almost instantaneously. Now GP is reduced by coenzyme nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, whilst being simultaneously phosphorylated. So for your sake, I'm going to articulate. Both ADP and NADP have come from the LDS, converting GP to TP to help aid in this process. Now I've probably lost you through some of this, so let me get things straight. CO2 has been fixated to be able to formulate things like amino and fatty acids, which is GPS's fate, and pairs of TP molecules form hexosugars, which is great, because it means it builds polysaccharides like carbohydrates. That's the good stuff like wedgies, so don't hate. And if the disaccharide sucrose is made, it's translocated up the fluid tubes. And there you have my simple rap for all you awesome noobs.